We'll do whatever it takes. Savlamar Mayor on plans to address stray animals causing crashes in Westmoreland. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, stray animals also cause for concern on newly opened leg of Highway 2000. Justice Minister concerned about child abuse cases in St. Mary. And later, it's International Coastal Cleanup Day. TVJ News looks at activities in 2 parishes. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so stay tuned. The news in detail after this break.